So, last one. Here's everything around me. I'm gonna use this as a prop. Alright, so we're gonna be doing the Bayat-Savart law. I don't know if I'm saying that. So let's just start off with the law itself. We have dB equals the constant times I over 4 pi times dl, the dl vector cross product r hat over r squared, right? And so dB in this instance is just like a small bit of a magnetic field, like a small section. dl is more of is the direction of the current, and then r hat is kind of the direction of the field that we're trying to measure, right? So to make this easier, we'll write this in like our magnitude form. So we'll just pretty much replace it. So we'll go dB equals same all times dl, and then this will be sine theta over r squared, right? And then, so just like using geometry, we can solve a few things. So we know that sine theta is equal to big R over little r. We also know that little r is equal to the square root of y squared plus big R squared, right? And then we can also replace dl with dy, because we're going to be it's easier to integrate this way. So dl will now become dy. Okay, so let's rewrite this with everything that we got. dB equals same old 4 pi times dy now times, and then we'll replace sine theta with big R over r squared. And then here we'll also plug into the little r. So we'll rewrite it one more time. dB equals constant over 4 pi times dy over, and then this will end up being y squared plus r squared to the 3/2. Oh, and then r on top as well. So then from this point, we're going to integrate. So we'll bring this r out of the integration, so that they'll come over to the left side with everything else. So we'll do ir over 4 pi, and then we'll integrate from negative infinity to infinity of the right side here. dy over y squared plus r squared to the 3/2. And then when we solve this integration, we are left with b equals the constant I over 2 pi, and then brackets here, and we'll have y over the square root of y squared plus r squared. And then we'll evaluate that from 0 to infinity, right? And then this is just kind of basic limits as we approach infinity on the top side. It equals 1. So the further we go, the approach is 1, and then when we approach 0, or when we go to 0 on limits, it also approaches 0, right? So that leaves us with 1 minus 0 for the right side, leaving us with b equals our constant I over 2 pi. Awesome. Thank you so much.